طيب you want CR huh?
Account in CR or ID?
ID is it come because I have ID in private QMB.
So
You
it's
accept?
no,
But
it's
take CR.
yeah, take CR better.
2947 CR 2 wait not garage.
Password?
The garage
This
is 29
Password.
like the M from left to right. Right down. I want to remove this also.
Okay.
حط CR 2947
2947
على
huh?
over
Sure.
over 6 CR or 1 put over 1 yeah
2946
47 yeah
6.
okay 6
No.
I put my QID number
Okay.
261 63 400 465
26
261 63 400 465
No,
Why?
it's not under your this number in your
Under my name
ID.
yeah
But
I know under garage al-Istiqlal
so it's not coming. So CR also not same number.
yeah CR
The mobile number under CR or no?
no now we will do it
No. It's,
now we will do it this number very new to put it under garage
okay, this number you take CR or ID.
ID
Which ID?
my ID
Not coming.
not coming
No, please check the information. Try again.
طيب
Five
55556 338
Check the another CR number. 2.
other what
Yeah.
What?
CR.
CR 2947 over 1
Yeah, it's okay.
okay
Yeah.
طيب.
Card number.
why card
60. Ask him.
I give you card number but why this is garage طيب wait
That account don't have
wait
card.
wait wait
Not your card. This is the
yeah
New
garage
account.
card
yeah. Garage card.
take this number
Garage card, huh?
yeah 5365
First 6 digit.
1 2 no this is 12 digit.
First 6 digit.
First 5365
53.
536547
Last 4.
7120 شو بدهم what they want what they want
Pin.
okay. 29.
That one.
297.
Pin number.
What pin number? Ah,
Wait. Pin number.
okay.
Choose the username.
جراج الاستقلال ديك ها الاستقلال جراج. E
Okay.
okay garage. لا make it space.
Username. I think.
الاستقلال.
No, username cannot be space. This is username cannot be space.
garage.
No.
الاستقلال.
Finish.
طيب okay.
Choose password. Put the password 2 times. Simple.
New
capital
password?
A.
New or the old one? This.
No. This one is for garage. New one. New.
Ah,
Simple, capital, symbol, number. Don't forget backing out.
okay. Email address. VOCTOR. Dot where the dot here? .com.
Okay.
Okay. username put الاستقلال garage. AL وحدة ALI AL S TEQLAL الاستقلال.
Put the password.
What password?
Don't forget bank account.
هلا I will write it.
It's coming.
Put 7
7
2 2 3. 6766951. Good.
잠겼네 우리야.
Okay. This is the bank account?
Yeah.
Okay. This is okay?
They need IBAN.
Yeah, IBAN.
Okay.
IBAN is come. Okay?
Come in. Yeah. Good.
Okay?
Okay.
Commercial registration.
CR. Put CR.
Okay. Okay. It's coming. When you go to wait.
Yeah. When what?
When you go to Fauron,
Yeah.
it's showing alien name CR like this.
CR dash.
Not
two-
number, huh?
Okay. CR 2947/1.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not
Not
number.
number.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Confirm. Six, 5, 6, 7, 9, 4, 7, 4, 7. Okay. Because this one is
CR.
commercial number.
Okay. Can you
Personal.
transfer from me? Just to try.
Here to here.
From here to here.
Okay. Open.
From where I will go now?
Bank. Any
Bank?
bank.
You need QMB Bank?
Any bank.
طيب. QMB. That's this one.
Take this one after I forget you.
Okay. I'm sorry. Now I want to, for example, transfer.
Transfer.
No transfer.
Here.
Okay.
Fauran.
Here. فورا. يا سلام عليك.
Transfer.
Okay.
Select alien type.
Put alien.
Name.
Yeah. Put
Okay.
here. Garage.
Name.
Okay.
Select name.
Yeah. Put.
Okay.
Yeah. CR.
Name is
CR. Dash.
Wait. 2, 9,
47.
4, 7.
1.
Wait. Alien name.
Business.
No, not business. Alien name.
I
Let me see. transfer business. Select company registration. Okay. First here select your
IBAN.
no mobile number and after here transfer
Business, not
Okay.
individual. Yeah.
Yeah. Any other person tell select business. It's coming here CR.
Tamam.
Okay. Business registration. Okay. CR put
2947.
9471. Okay. How
Put
much?
1000.
Okay.
Select.
Bill
Anything.
payment. Like
Personal. Okay. Submit.
Why not submit?
Commercial.
No.
No. Only 50 riyal?
50,000 transfer.
How?
Already transfer
Huh?
today?
Today we didn't transfer anything.
Okay.
What's problem it was?
Problem is you don't have alien number IBAN you have.
Okay.
Okay. So select. Okay. Submit. Okay. CR number okay. Confirm.
2947. Confirm. Come number. Ah, yeah. Okay. This one.
Process.
Proceed.
Yes.
Put 5 star. They like.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
طيب. Now يعني they have only CR 471.
Yes. You open account in 471. Not
Oh.
another number.
شكرا جزيلا. شكرا جزيلا.
Not working another number. Only
Huh?
when you open bank account, same CR number need.
Okay. اشرب شاي. شكرا.
Thank you. Okay.
Something. This one here. السلام عليكم. هلا ابو ادم، كيف حالك؟ هلا عمي نجيب، اخبارك تمام؟ ليك انا زبطت فورا على الجراج. ايه هلا طلع شو بتساوي. اول شيء بتحب تاخذ الايبان ولا ما بتحب؟ مو ضروري هو الايبان ولا لا. طيب الباسورد سي ار داش ورقم شو اسمه؟ ايوه 4947 سلاش 1 بس. لا بس لا ار سي داش يعني داش شحطة 1947 ولا كم؟ 2947 سلاش 1 جراج الاستقلال. رح ابعث لك اياها، ولازم يكتب اللي بده يحول not individual مو شخصي business، لانه هي بجوز ما ينتبه لها، لانه هي شركه مش شو اسمه. تمام، شكرا جزيلا شكرا جزيلا. يلا اهلا وسهلا. CR 2947 when somebody will send he must write الاستقلال جراج.
لا ما يبي رايت،
ما يكتب على طول، هو يطلع
نمبر. إذا ركب نمبر
هو يطلع كل شيء،
هو بين اسم، بعدين هو كونفيرم. بس يبي رقم مال سيار تاني، ما يبي شيء.
something else please.
Okay.
Look, you are busy.
No.
Look, when I make like this, the first one coming this I don't use it.
Okay.
Usually I want to put it in the end. جبتها يمكن ما جبتها ما جبتها. I didn't bring it. No, we can maybe later. What we will do? Tell me, maybe I will do it.
Wait, I will take
Huh?
first. Okay, this one.
You make it down?
Yeah, this one. Okay,
Really?
first.
Yeah. First, second
Wait.
one.
Wait. Like do wallet.
Okay.
This is the double band.
Okay.
If you want
Yeah.
touch,
Yeah.
put up.
Oh.
It's going to last.
Okay. But
This is the last. This is the first.
no.
Understand?
I want this is first, second.
Yeah. If you want first, like this. Okay. This is, you see, this is second, third, first, second, third. Not like first. This is down. The
We have
first.
to put it down.
Yeah.
Let me see, for example.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bring some tea, my friend. Go bring some tea, يا ابن الحلال انت الثاني. Go bring some tea, low tea or something.
Okay.
شكرا يا. What's your name?
Raju.
Raju.
Yes.
I know one friend, Raju, in QMB. You know, all Qatari there, VIP, they don't work. Only Raju. I swear. If you want to finish your business, go to Raju.
Yes.
He finishes everything. Qatari, the big Haidar, I don't know, all the big guys, reading newspaper, phone, not working.
Yeah.
And the salary maybe 20 than Raju.
Yes.
But Raju, he work everything. Shukran.
You're
خلاص.
welcome.
Nothing here. I will not forget anything. شكرا جزيلا.
Okay.
يا الله يا كريم. ما قصرت. Say hi to.
Okay.
Oh, no need.